This video covers Ditto versus Boss Looper, two popular loop pedals. Choosing the right looper can transform your live performances without the hassle of complicated controls. We'll look at both to see which fits your style best. Ditto and Boss loopers are designed for looping guitar parts, but differ in complexity and features. Ditto focuses on simplicity and ease of use, while Boss offers more advanced controls and layering options. The core difference lies in balancing straightforward operation versus expanded functionality. The Ditto Looper is a compact, user-friendly pedal built for guitarists who want a straightforward looping experience. It records over dubs and plays back loops with a single foot switch and minimal controls. Its simplicity means you can focus on playing without navigating menus or multiple buttons. The pedal supports up to 5 minutes of loop time, with true bypass to maintain your tone when off. Ditto's strength lies in its intuitive operation and compact size, making it ideal for beginners or musicians who want quick, hassle-free looping. However, it lacks advanced features like built-in effects, multiple tracks, or extensive memory options. This looper suits solo performers, songwriters, or anyone needing a reliable pedal for live looping without distractions. Its limited functionality might not satisfy users looking for complex layering or longer loop times, but for straightforward looping, Ditto remains a top choice. Boss loopers such as the RC series offer a more feature-rich looping experience tailored to players who want control and versatility. These pedals provide multiple tracks, longer loop durations, and a variety of built-in effects and rhythm guides. Operation involves multiple foot switches or buttons, allowing for precise control over recording, overdubbing, undoing, and track management. Boss loopers often include memory slots to save loops and support stereo inputs and outputs, catering to complex live setups. Their robust build and extensive feature set make them suitable for advanced users who want to craft layered performances or practice with backing rhythms. The trade-off is a steeper learning curve and less immediacy compared to simpler pedals like Ditto. Boss loopers are ideal for musicians who require detailed loop control, longer sessions, or integration with other gear. Beginners might find them overwhelming, but for those ready to explore looping depth, Boss offers unmatched flexibility. Comparing Ditto and Boss loopers highlights a choice between simplicity and complexity. Ditto excels in quick setup and ease of use, perfect for solo performers or beginners wanting immediate looping without fuss. Its limited features mean it's best for straightforward loops and short performances. Boss loopers, on the other hand, shine in scenarios demanding multi-track layering, longer loop times, and integrated effects. They fit well in full band setups or solo artists who want to build intricate soundscapes. The trade-off is a more complex interface and higher price point. If you prioritize plug-and-play functionality, Ditto is the way to go. If you need advanced looping capabilities and are comfortable with a learning curve, Boss delivers more power and flexibility. Both have solid builds and reliable performance, so your choice depends on your looping needs and experience level. Choose Ditto if you want a simple, intuitive looper that's easy to use and perfect for quick, hassle-free looping in live or practice settings. Opt for a Boss looper if you need advanced features like multi-track layering, longer loop times, and built-in effects. It's ideal for musicians looking to create complex performances and don't mind investing time to master its capabilities. Your choice depends on your style and goals.